And ABC 7 business commentator Richard Stern is joining us now. And Richard, this is the second to the last day of trading for this year and not much change.
Very little change. It's, sometimes when I do this report, and I've been doing it for an awfully long time, it's a struggle to say, what really do I want to talk about? Today, there's almost nothing to talk about. The biggest change of any of the three indices we follow on a regular basis was 0.12%, 12/100%, effectively nothing at all. I guess the real piece of important news is that for the month of December, we are going to have the best stock market we've seen since 2010. So I guess we'll take that. Now let's look at the quiet numbers, and quiet they are indeed. There you see the Dow down by less than 14.71%, closing at 19,819.78 on volume of 644 million shares. The NASDAQ, as you see, the big loser of the day, down 12/100%, less than 6.5 points at 5,432.09. That on volume of 1,409 million shares. And the S&P, yes, down as well. Look at that, not even 1.31% at 2,249.26. Kate Spade, perhaps you know that name, a very well-known manufacturer of women's handbags, among other things. Well, their stock was up by a whopping 23% yesterday, another 3.5% today, on rumors that the company is openly for sale. The rumors include possible buyers of no less than Coach, which of course is a major competitor, and there are others out there as well. So we'll have to see what happens. Haley, I know you're very familiar with companies like that, but the bottom line is it's been a struggle for them. Their sales, single-digit gains at best, so it's very likely they're going to have a new owner before terribly long.
Yes, I am very familiar with both Kate Spade and Coach and own both of those, but I do know that both have had a little bit of a struggle. So maybe, I guess, if they came together, could be a good thing. Who knows?
Yes, ma'am, you're right.
Well, expectations for 2017, believe it or not, we're into the new year.
We surely are, and I guess the expectation I have is I wish I knew, but I can tell you that if 2017 turns out to be anything like the last 6 weeks of 2016, we're going to have a lot of very, very happy investors watching us on a regular basis.
Let's hope that continues.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Richard.